Alright guys, welcome back. It's me, Daniel, VintageMagic.com, and today we are eating at 13 Coins, my favorite ever chicken marsala, extra mushrooms, and side of marinara. And we are looking at a collection. A lady came out of town, all the way from Georgia, and there's alpha cards, it's unlimited, almost a near complete unlimited set. Lots of other goodies here. Enjoy the video. We're going to go through this collection, break it down. But again, guys, chicken marsala, 13 Coins, go to Seattle. It's amazing. All right, guys, what's up? It's me, Daniel, with VintageMagic.com. Happy Finance Friday. All right, today we're watching the Warriors game right now. Warriors are playing the Sacramento Kings, Game 6. Warriors are home. They're up 3-2. We'll take a peek later on and see who wins. All right, so this video is all about Jefferies announcing the Hasbro stock will surge up to 45%, up to a stock target around $70. This is all kind of related to the Bank of America in the past, talking about Hasbro itself declining and not caring about the player base. This whole Magic 30 thing that happened last year. And I want to kind of go over some of the market stuff, what's going on. And this hat, by the way, is just so damn freaking big. Anybody has a hat, they could trade me. This is a 7 3/4 of this style. I need a 7 1/4. All right, let's go into it. So, basically, Jefferies is like an analyst company. They analyze different stocks, mutual funds, etc., and they give advice. And so, Bank of America obviously is a huge bank. They did the same thing, but were negative about Hasbro stock. And now Jefferies comes back with a positive analysis. So what the freak is going on? Well, one of the things I'm noticing is that the market has definitely corrected and changed from 2022. The late 2022, the market was wobbly for TCGs and especially Magic. There's a lot of concern, and the stock was plummeting. And, rightfully so. I don't think Hasbro was doing the right thing, pumping out product too fast. The product itself wasn't even quality. And now you see a shift. You have a sequence of events where you have several different products now with serial number cards, like War Machine or the Rise of the Machine, whatever that is, with serial number cards. You got the Lord of the Rings set coming out. And then you have just quality products and not overproducing products for the higher end stuff. And so I think that has stabilized the market. Secondary market, I'm definitely seeing more buying interest, more investing, more money into the market. Partly, I think, is because there's been a lot of cash on the sideline for a long time, and people want to put money into work. And if you leave your money into cash too long, it just does nothing. And now, these days, you could put it into a money market, savings account, whatever, get 3 to 4% easily. But all in all, I think people have a hungry appetite to get more than that. So you get more investing into other products, such as Magic, sports cards, comics, Pokemon is resurging. Even Flesh and Blood, I hate to say it, Flesh and Blood is surging up a little bit too. So the question is it really time to buy into this news with Jefferies, into Magic the Gathering right now? I have to say that this year will be a growing year from the year prior, so yes. I also have said in another video that in 2024, I think the run continues growing. I think cryptocurrency also will help lead a charge for a higher run-up. I'm not sure it'll go to 60K this year for Bitcoin, but I do think they'll touch the 50K barrier, 40s for sure. So without a doubt, that's going to help grow buying into Magic the Gathering. Now, the other thing is, well, Dan, if it's going to go up a little bit, do I just wait for another dip later on? Well, I have a feeling that the dip itself that you were waiting for already occurred last year. And I'm already seeing myself a lot of spending on luxury cardboard, especially alters, artist proofs, stuff like that. Definitely some opportunity there. Also, sealed product. vintage sealed product has had a big downturn as of late. But I do see some, questions being asked. Hey, do you have this particular box? Do you have this particular asset available? And I've been able to help supply some of that for clients. So I have to say, if you are looking for sealed product, graded cards, etc., contact me, call me, text me at 206-914-7974, or you email me at daniel@vintagemagic.com. And I got to say, people are definitely eager to shift movements of assets. And they, if you're looking for assets in Magic, I can definitely help, especially the older stuff. I think there's also this, remember that gray area of where is the stock market, what's happening? I think, people are come to the point where jobs are strong. There are lots of jobs out there. Unemployment's low. Inflation is still relatively high, but stabilized. And you have a system where, you pretty much have a lot more savings involved. A lot of people are stashing away cash. They have to use their money. So all those stars align. I really feel like the market itself has been pretty stable in the overall global economy. So I think there is a green light there to invest. Don't be all in, but I would say, why not put something into something when they have gone down in value. Now, some of the people out there have mentioned that they're tired of investing in older Magic for now. It's kind of got wallet fatigue, a little tired of just having the cardboard around. They want to reallocate. That's pretty normal. I have to say, people come in and out in this hobby over the years quite a bit, and I've accepted that, and I haven't, just sold all my assets because of that reason. In fact, I am still buying Magic the Gathering collectibles in the older sets. So if you are selling collections, I'm always here to help. Again, link is below, and check it all out. We have eBay auctions running right now for items that you can bid on. It's kind of one of those things, though, is that if you don't take advantage of moments to buy, you're actually going to lose out of the opportunities. It's weird. Like, people always want to purchase them when they're higher and there's a lot more action. But I always say, why don't you buy them when they're lower? Why do you not buy it when it's at a discounted price comparison? Especially alpha commons, alpha uncommons. Those have gone down quite a bit since the upswing, and those are very attractive. I mean, it's crazy. Like cards like Keldon Warlord Alpha, Dwarven Demolition Team, playables for Alpha 40. They've all gone down. All those commons, they used to be $200. Now they're like $100. I mean, or lower. So why not buy them then? One of the reasons why I think people don't buy at lower prices is because they're always afraid that the prices are going to go much lower. And I do agree with that in the sense that if you believe the market is going to literally tank to zero. But if the market is going to bounce back up, and there's a higher possibility, which it has been doing since later last year, then you're missing out on buying opportunities at this point. And if you're going to leave cash sitting around making 3 to 4%, you're probably not going to make much during these opportunity times. So I will say, look at the assets, do the research. If you have questions, contact me. I am doing consultations for clients. There is a fee, but you can contact me at 206-914-7974. Be happy to discuss more about the marketplace and some of the buys that I'd be going for right now. I'm going to leave you with this little tidbit. Years ago, people told me, this is a long time ago, by the way. Years ago, people told me I was crazy for buying Alpha Black Lotuses for about $2,500, $3,000 a pop, about near mint to mint quality. I think at the time they were probably going for $1,750. Very cheap, obviously, comparative. This was years ago. People were telling me, hey, Dan, you shouldn't be buying artist proofs, ultra cards. You're stupid. Sealed product, why would you do that? I mean, why would you overpay and just buy people out? Well, the answer to that question is, the answer to that statement is that basically, if you buy and you have the foresight to believe that there's something else out there to invest in or think long term, you'll be rewarded handsomely later on. And fast forward decades, now I've made multi-millions on Magic the Gathering. I'm not here to flex, but it's a reality. If you believe in something, you go after it, you invest in it, slow and steady wins the race, you're probably going to do really well. And if you're passionate about it like I am, well, it comes through naturally and you enjoy the memories and go through it in life and meet some really great people on the way. So, guys, by the way, side note, if you're going to Miami, if you're in Miami, I'm going to be at the Formula One Grand Prix with some clients May 4th to May 8th. May 4th to May 8th in Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. If you're interested in doing any deals, selling any collections, contact me, 206-914-7974. Text me, call me. Happy to buy deals. I'm paying cash, but plenty of money to spend. So please contact me, and I'm looking forward to meeting some of you guys out there in the East Coast. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Be safe. Have a nice day.
Hey everyone, it's Daniel Chang with VintageMagic.com. In this video, I want to run through our consultation service on VintageMagic.com. So what's really exciting to me about the consultation process is meeting you. I've met so many incredible people in the Magic the Gathering industry all over the world, and this consultation process is the key part to a successful working relationship. Getting hold of me is very simple. You could call or email me. We'll talk more about your needs. From all that information I gather in our call, typically about an hour long, I'm going to determine the best solution for you. So because we have such a suite of services that we offer, I'm going to sit down with a follow-up call, and then we're going to go off and determine what the best path is. I have experience in handling conversations in regards to large collections of artwork, sets of cards, either if it's graded or ungraded, raw cards. I also have dealt with collections with lots of misprints and oddities. Altered cards, sketch cards, and artist proofs are also one of my specialties. My experience in Magic Gathering has gone to any level of collecting you may have. I look forward to working with you.
Vintage Magic. Game, collect, invest. For more information about our consulting and professional services, visit VintageMagic.com.